Skidamarink is a great song for children. They love it, they're familiar with it, and kids have been singing it for ages. I wanted my piano students to have fun with it, so I arranged this song for pre-readers, brand new beginners, kids who read in the treble clef really well, and kids who can play two hands together, mid-elementary. Take a look at pictures of the score on pianomusicforkids.com, and don't forget you can listen to it, you can download it, and you can print it or send it electronically to as many students as are in your studio. Studio license is great and it's so economical for teachers. So head to pianomusicforkids.com, grab Skidamarink, and start having fun in your studio.